Ano nga ba ang mga kailangan mong dalhin na requirements kapag magki-claim ka na ng iyong collateral documents? Kapag tapos ka ng maghulog ng iyong sasakyan. So, kung ikaw ang principal borrower or ikaw yung nakapangalan dun sa niloan mong sasakyan, ang kailangan mo lang namang dalhin ay dalawa. Ang una ay 2 original valid primary government issued IDs. May mga listahan tayo kung ano yung mga pwedeng ID na kailangan nating dalhin. So, sa primary ID, pwede ang LTO or driver's license, SSS ID, PRC ID, GSIS e-card, Integrated Bar of the Philippines ID, passport including those issued by foreign governments, Philippine identification cards, yung mga sa PhilSys, postal identity card ID, OFW ID, OWA ID, Marine ID, Unified Multipurpose ID, UMID, Government Office and GOCC ID, example, for Armed Forces of the Philippines ID, AFP ID. So, next is Senior Citizens ID, Alien Certification of Registration, or Immigrant Certification of Registration. So, ang pangalawang kailangan nating dalhin kung ikaw ang principal borrower is yung Accomplished Customer Information Sheet na kailangan mong fill upan at dalhin kapag i-claim mo na yung iyong collateral documents. So, kung hindi naman ikaw ang magki-claim, for example, may representative kang ipapadala, ang mga kailangan mong dalhin ay 5. Number 1, originally signed authorization letter signed by the principal borrower. Number 2, photocopy of 2 valid primary government IDs of principal borrower with 3 original specimen. Number 3, original valid primary government issued IDs of the principal borrower. Number 4, at least 2 original valid primary or secondary government issued IDs of the authorized representative. Number 5, originally accomplished customer information sheet attached, signed by the principal borrower. Yan, so kapag nasa ibang bansa yung ating principal borrower, kailangan din nating dalhin ang original consular special power of attorney or SPA. Number 2, attachment of 2 photo-bearing valid primary government issued IDs of principal borrower with 3 specimens signatures. Number 3, at least 2 original valid primary government IDs of authorized representative. Number 4, originally accomplished customer information sheet signed by the principal borrower. So, may lista din tayo ng mga IDs na tinatawag nating secondary IDs. So, number 1 is barangay certification or clearance. Number 2, National Bureau of Investigation clearance, NBI clearance. Number 3, company IDs of registered companies supervised or regulated either by BSP, SEC, or IC. Number 4, DSWD certification. Number 5, HDMF Pag-ibig Loyalty Card. Number 6, certification from the National Council for the Welfare of Disabled Persons. Number 7, police clearance. Number 8, Seaman's Book. Number 9, PhilHealth ID. Yun lamang po ang mga kailangan na requirements kapag mag-claim ka ng iyong collateral documents after mong mabayaran yung hinulugan mong sasakyan.